Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to wrap a BMW M4 front bumper. First, ensure your workspace is clean and well lit. Thoroughly clean the bumper with a 70% isopropyl alcohol solution to remove any wax or dirt. This crucial step ensures proper adhesion. Gather your tools: a heat gun, a sharp knife, a squeegee, and a soft measuring tape. Having everything ready saves time and prevents errors. Now, carefully position the vinyl wrap over the bumper, making sure it's centered with ample overhang on all edges. Use magnets or painter's tape to hold it loosely in place. Begin by tacking down the center section of the bumper. Apply gentle heat with your heat gun and use a soft squeegee to smooth the vinyl, working from the center outwards to avoid air bubbles. This is where patience is key. Use your heat gun to gently warm the vinyl, making it pliable for stretching around the bumper's curves. Work in small sections, stretching and squeegeeing simultaneously. Always push air outwards, away from the center. Overlap your squeegee strokes by approximately 1/3 to ensure a consistent, bubble-free application across the entire surface. Once the vinyl is fully applied, it's time for the final touches. Using a very sharp knife, carefully trim the excess vinyl, following the natural lines and edges of the bumper. Tuck any remaining edges into seams or around the back of the bumper for a clean, finished look. Finally, post-heat the entire wrapped surface with your heat gun to activate the adhesive and ensure long-lasting durability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.